In the quest to unravel the distant and oldest secrets of the universe, we should not overlook the mysteries that lie right on our doorstep. One such enigma is the Moon, our constant companion, which despite decades of study, still holds many unresolved secrets. Contrary to popular belief, we can't even say with absolute certainty how our satellite was formed. And if that isn't intriguing enough, gravity field measurements have revealed a gigantic structure slumbering beneath the mysterious far side of the Moon, sparking wild speculations and theories. Are we dealing with the hidden base of a lunar civilization, or could there be a more conventional explanation for this lunar colossus? Where our earthly view is limited, myths and legends take flight. No matter how much we crane our necks from Earth, it's simply impossible to catch a glimpse of the Moon's far side. Our natural satellite's bound rotation means it always presents the same face to us. Why is this? Experts explain that the Moon gradually acquired this characteristic. Shortly after its formation, it rotated much faster, but over time, Earth's gravitational pull slowed it down until its rotational speed matched its orbital speed. For thousands of years, mankind could only speculate about what lay hidden on the Moon's far side. Today, however, we have more sophisticated means at our disposal to explore this so-called dark side. Long before the Chang'e 4 mission in January 2019, which became the first spacecraft to land on the far side, we knew that in reality, it's not as dark as often claimed. This side of the Moon goes through the same phases as the side facing Earth, just in reverse order. If we look closely, we can even see this darker side, which actually has a higher reflectivity than the side visible from Earth. Every time the Moon appears as a faint new crescent, the far side is brighter. So, the term dark side refers less to sunlight and more to the fact that it was unknown to our ancestors for so long. Despite similarities in Moon phases, the two halves of the Moon are strikingly different in other respects. We've only known this since 1959, when the Soviet probe Luna 3 sent images of the previously invisible area. A quick glance reveals that the dark Maria, lowlands covered by solidified lava, make up only a small percentage of the far side surface, compared to almost a third on the side facing Earth. Meanwhile, fewer moon mountains and grooves catch our eye on the far side. Now, experts believe they've solved the mystery of these different lunar faces, but more on that later. First, let's attend to another exciting story. Gravity field measurements have offered a surprising insight. The far side of the Moon is home to a colossal structure, a cosmic puzzle that continues to baffle astronomers. This mysterious giant structure is a riddle wrapped in a lunar enigma. To illustrate its magnitude, imagine Hawaii's main island, which spans over 10,400 square kilometers, and multiply it fivefold. That's the scale of the unexpected mass discovered by Peter B. James of Baylor University in Texas. But how did it come to be, and what does it mean? To grasp this, we must first consider its location. We aren't talking about just any spot on the Moon, but the South Pole Aitken Basin, the largest preserved impact crater in the Solar System, stretching over 2,000 kilometers. While the brutal impact, estimated to have happened 4.3 billion years ago, remains shrouded in mystery, James's team aimed to shed light by examining the subsurface of this basin. They analyzed data from the Gravity Recovery and Interior Laboratory (GRAIL) mission, during which two space probes launched in September 2011 to measure the Moon's gravitational field and anomalies, gaining insights into its internal structure. The team combined this data with that from the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, tasked with mapping the lunar surface in high resolution and measuring cosmic radiation exposure. Their investigation unveiled a massive anomaly hidden hundreds of kilometers below the basin. This anomaly reaches a depth of 200 kilometers and encompasses 2.18 quadrillion tons, about half the mass of Earth's atmosphere. Despite the allure of natural explanations, the Internet has entertained alternative theories, pondering whether the Moon might be an artificial space station or host to a hidden lunar inhabitant base. Yet, even conservative researchers can't conclusively determine the true cause of this mass anomaly. Their theories lean towards the metallic core of the asteroid that formed the South Pole Aitken Basin billions of years ago, suggesting it might still be embedded in the lunar mantle. Simulations indicate that such an iron-nickel core could penetrate deep into the upper mantle during an impact without necessarily striking the Moon's core. The asteroid's immense weight could have also pulled the crater's bottom down, causing it to sink by an additional kilometer. An alternative hypothesis suggests the mass anomaly might be a dense oxide accumulation from when the Moon's original magma ocean cooled and solidified. However, only future exploration will reveal which hypothesis holds true. Perhaps a manned lunar mission will eventually solve the mystery of the subsurface structure. Now, let's unravel why the Moon has two distinct faces. The cataclysmic impact at the Moon's south pole might not only have left behind a perplexing mass anomaly but could also be responsible for the stark differences between the Moon's two halves. In addition to the aforementioned mass imbalance, researchers have discovered that the crust on the Moon's far side is significantly thicker than on the near side. Interestingly, the near side's crust is enriched with unusually high levels of radioactive thorium, potassium, phosphorus, and rare earth elements. The formation of this so-called KREP terrain, and what triggered the volcanism on the lunar surface, remain unclear and controversial. Some researchers hypothesize that the differences in crust could be due to Earth's tidal forces, while others, like Matt Jones from Brown University in Providence, suspect a devastating impact is at play. Jones and his colleagues explored how the intense heat from the South Pole Aitken Basin impact could have affected the entire celestial body. Coincidentally, the gigantic crater lies almost directly opposite the KREP terrain. Geophysical models of the early lunar interior reconstructed this monumental impact, showing that it could have created a thermal anomaly in the lunar mantle, influencing the Moon's interior development for hundreds of millions of years. In detail, the impact of a 100-kilometer asteroid unleashed an extreme heat surge that spread through the Moon's interior, affecting the area known today for its many Maria and the KREP terrain. During this process, titanium-rich magma accumulations surged toward the lunar surface, akin to a surfer riding a wave. The simulation suggested that this heat and subsequent mantle convection could explain the KREP terrain's unique enrichment and the basalt rock of the Maria. But there's more. The South Pole impact might have even set the stage for volcanism and the initial formation of the Maria. The event likely concentrated heat-generating elements on the Moon's near side, and the interaction of radioactive heating with increased mantle convection could have fueled the upper mantle of the near side over hundreds of millions of years. Consequently, hot magma could then erupt onto the surface in massive eruptions. Experts believe that the first eruptions occurred about 200 million years after the asteroid impact, with the most intense Maria volcanism beginning another 300 to 500 million years later. In other words, evidence is mounting that the South Pole Aitken Basin and the distinctive nature of the Moon's front side are directly interlinked, potentially solving one of lunar research's greatest mysteries. As we wrap this segment, consider the vast implications of these findings. The Moon, a celestial body that has been a constant in our night sky, continues to surprise and challenge our understanding. The intricate dance between cosmic impacts, geological processes, and the resulting features we observe today offers a glimpse into the complex history of our solar system. These revelations not only deepen our appreciation for lunar science but also inspire us to keep exploring, questioning, and seeking answers to the universe's grandest puzzles. As we delve deeper into the Moon's mysteries, we're reminded of the power of curiosity and the unyielding human spirit that drives us to reach beyond the stars. This journey of discovery is far from over, and who knows what other secrets the Moon holds, waiting to be uncovered by future explorers and scientists. So, stay tuned and keep your eyes on the skies, for the wonders of the universe are just a heartbeat away, ready to ignite our imaginations and expand our horizons. As we continue our exploration of the Moon's enigmatic nature, we find ourselves drawn into the captivating tale of its formation and evolution. The notion that the Moon has a dual personality, with its contrasting near and far sides, is a testament to the dynamic processes that have shaped it. This dichotomy serves as a reminder of the moon's complex history, a narrative that is still being pieced together by researchers and scientists. The story of the moon is not just one of impacts and anomalies, it's also a story of cosmic evolution, where each crater, each mountain, and each mysterious mass beneath the surface tells a part of a larger tale. The moon's formation is believed to have begun with a colossal collision between the young Earth and a Mars-sized body, an event that forged our satellite from the debris. This giant impact hypothesis suggests that the moon's initial molten state eventually cooled, creating the crust and setting the stage for the geological features we see today. Yet, as we delve into this narrative, we realize that much of the moon's history remains shrouded in mystery. The far side of the moon, with its thicker crust and fewer maria, invites questions about the forces that sculpted its surface. Was it the result of internal processes, or did external factors, such as impacts, play a more significant role? These questions drive ongoing research, as scientists seek to understand not only the moon's past but also the broader story of our solar system's evolution. The moon has long been humanity's silent witness, observing the rise and fall of civilizations, inspiring countless myths and legends, and serving as a constant muse for artists and dreamers. Its presence in our night sky has guided travelers and philosophers alike, offering a sense of wonder and a connection to the cosmos. As we study the moon, we are reminded of our place in the universe, a tiny blue planet orbiting a star, with the moon as our steadfast companion. The moon's allure is not limited to its scientific mysteries, it also holds a special place in our cultural and emotional landscape. Its phases have marked the passage of time, its light has illuminated our nights, and its surface has been the destination of human exploration. The Apollo missions of the 20th century brought the moon closer to us than ever before, leaving footprints on its surface and igniting a spark of curiosity and ambition that continues to drive space exploration today. As we look to the future, the moon remains a focal point for scientific inquiry and exploration. With renewed interest in lunar missions, both robotic and human, the moon is poised to reveal more of its secrets. These missions aim to deepen our understanding of lunar geology, investigate the potential for sustainable human presence, and serve as a stepping stone for further exploration of our solar system. The moon, with its timeless presence and untold stories, invites us to dream, to explore, and to push the boundaries of what we know. It challenges us to look beyond our earthly confines and to embrace the vastness of space, where new discoveries await. As we embark on this journey, we are reminded that the moon is more than just a celestial body, it is a symbol of human curiosity, resilience, and the unyielding desire to explore the unknown. So, as we continue to gaze upon the moon, let us be inspired by its mysteries and motivated by the promise of discovery. The moon, with its many faces and secrets, calls to us, urging us to keep looking, keep questioning, and keep reaching for the stars. It's a call that transcends generations, a call that echoes through the corridors of time, inviting us to be a part of the grand cosmic adventure that unfolds before us. Join us as we continue to explore the wonders of the universe, one celestial revelation at a time. As we draw our exploration to a close, let's reflect on the profound impact the moon has had on human history, science, and culture. Its presence has been a constant in our lives, a silent guardian watching over us, influencing tides and time, and serving as a beacon of inspiration. The moon's mysteries have challenged our understanding, pushing us to innovate and explore beyond our earthly boundaries. This celestial body has not only been a target of scientific inquiry but also a canvas for the human imagination, a place where science and dreams intersect. The enigmatic far side of the moon, once a source of speculation and intrigue, now beckons us with the promise of new discoveries. As we continue to unravel its secrets, we are reminded that the journey of exploration is as important as the destination. Each step we take, each question we ask, and each answer we find adds to the tapestry of human knowledge, enriching our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The moon serves as a gateway to the cosmos, a reminder of the endless possibilities that lie beyond our world. It is a stepping stone to the stars, a celestial partner that encourages us to dream big and venture far. As we stand on the cusp of a new era in space exploration, the moon remains a symbol of hope and a testament to the power of human ingenuity and curiosity. The future of lunar exploration holds exciting prospects, from establishing lunar bases to utilizing its resources for deeper space missions. These endeavors not only aim to expand our scientific horizons but also to inspire the next generation of explorers, scientists, and dreamers. The moon, with its timeless allure and enduring mysteries, continues to captivate our imagination and drive our pursuit of knowledge. As we conclude this narrative, let us ponder the role the moon plays in our lives and the legacy it leaves for future generations. It is a legacy of exploration, discovery, and inspiration, a testament to humanity's unending quest to understand the universe. In the words of the great explorers who have come before us, the moon is more than a destination, it is a symbol of our shared journey, a journey that transcends borders, cultures, and time. So, as you reflect on the wonders of the moon and the universe, consider the possibilities that lie ahead. Imagine the new frontiers we will explore and the mysteries we will uncover. Let the moon's light guide you, its mysteries inspire you, and its presence remind you of the boundless potential within us all. As we embark on this journey together, let's continue to look to the moon and beyond, fueled by curiosity, driven by discovery, and united by the shared adventure of exploring the cosmos. And now, as we reach the end of this chapter, we invite you to join us on this incredible journey. What mysteries will we uncover next? What new frontiers will we explore? The answers await, and together, we can discover them. If you enjoyed this exploration and want to be part of our ongoing journey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us continue to bring the wonders of the universe to light. Until next time, keep looking up, stay curious, and remember, the universe is full of possibilities just waiting to be explored. We'll see you soon on our next cosmic adventure.